everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI Chat GPT. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The Chat GPT general purpose chatbot is a prototype developed by OpenAI. It is now available as a free research preview and anyone around the world can try it out. If you want to open up and start off with OpenAI Chat GPT, then the first thing to do is to register for an OpenAI account. Open up a web browser of your choice and into the search box at the top, type in chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can choose whether you would like to log in or sign up for a new account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up button and enter an email address that you have access to. Follow through the on-screen prompt and finish off your registration. If you already have an account, you can click on the login button and follow through the on-screen prompts. Enter your registered email address and click on I'm not a robot. You might need to prove that you are a human being and not a robot, so simply go ahead and complete the task in the pop-up, and once you are done, click the continue button. Enter the password for your account on the next page and click on the continue button one more time to get access to your OpenAI Chat GPT account. Using the Chat GPT chatbot is fairly simple. All you need to do is type in your text in the box at the bottom, and once you are done typing any information over here, click on the little airplane button at the bottom right, and once you are done, you'll be able to receive all the information from the chatbot that matches your search criteria. As you can see that we typed in a question and received the web results from the chatbot. You can also put in statement for best possible results. Simply go ahead and type in any statement in the chat box and you'll be able to find all the information you need. That is how you can get detailed results from your queries on ChatGPT. Apart from the questions and answers, you can also write an essay with the help of the AI chatbot. That was how you can easily use OpenAI Chat GPT. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.